Microsoft 365 Data Loss Prevention, or DLP, is a critical tool for IT professionals. It's about keeping sensitive data safe, which is crucial in today's digital world. As we dive into this topic, think of me as your friendly guide to navigating the world of Microsoft 365 DLP. First off, why bother with DLP? Imagine this. Your organization inadvertently sends out an email with an attached confidential report, and the very next thing you know, it's leaked. Ouch, right? Or consider losing customer data. That's a nightmare for compliance and reputation. DLP in Microsoft 365 helps avoid these scenarios by setting up rules to detect and block the sharing of sensitive data. Let's lay down the groundwork with the architecture. Microsoft 365 DLP ties into various services: Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, and even Teams and the device's operating system, Windows 10. It's about creating a consistent set of rules across the board, providing a safety net for your invaluable data wherever it sits. Now, imagine setting up these rules. You start with identifying your data. That's sensitive information, like credit card numbers, social security numbers, or proprietary data that's crucial to your business. Then, the real magic begins. Crafting the policies will guard against these leaks. The rules are powerful, and you can create context-aware policies. For instance, if someone tries to send an email outside the company, and it includes certain data types, DLP steps in to prevent that transfer. The beauty here is adaptability. Policies can vary based on user roles, device location, and application type. And who can edit these policies? It's within your command as an IT pro, because it's all about getting your enterprise-grade deployments right. Think of adjusting sensitive data settings and creating policies for every data type you encounter. It's like setting up a fortress around sensitive data. But technology should be practical too, right? That's where deploying DLP comes in. There's a straightforward process to get it rolling across your organization. You'll have it sniffing through emails, document uploads, and even conversations, not only on your servers but across your cloud infrastructure and end devices. Moving on to troubleshooting, since no system is perfect, you might stumble upon hiccups. That's where your troubleshooting skills come into play. Dive into policy logs, understand false positives, and refine your strategy. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. Now for some best practices, a slice of expert advice. Embedding security cultures, training your team to recognize data sensitivity, and regular policy audits can keep your DLP armor strong. As we round up, data security in Microsoft 365 is about harmony between stringent controls and user experiences. DLP is a balancing act, giving you a robust defense mechanism while making sure your users feel a seamless flow. Remember, this knowledge is something more than just technical savvy. It's about safeguarding the essence of an organization's data integrity and compliance. And if you want to continue on this journey, make sure to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insight. Stay safe out there.